Want to update your Facebook name quickly and easily? Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, this simple guide will walk you through the steps. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and logging into the account you'd like to update. Once you're in, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, look for the gear icon to open your settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Account Center. This is where all your Meta account settings, including Facebook and Instagram, are managed. Select Profiles, then choose the Facebook profile you want to update. Now, tap on your current name. You can make changes to your first, middle, or last name as needed. Once you've updated the information, tap Save to confirm your changes. Keep in mind, Facebook only allows name updates every 60 days, so double-check everything before saving. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Facebook name, all from your mobile device. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.